Hey everybody, Jen here with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I have an interesting unboxing for you. I've been very curious about this brand. It's called Quince, at least I think that's how you pronounce it. And for the longest time, I thought it was like Quince or something, but I've seen a lot of other influencers say Quince, so I'm gonna assume that's what it is. And Quince kind of touts itself as sort of like a budget version of high-end stuff, saying they cut out the middleman and they're very transparent with pricing. I've seen a lot of hit or miss reviews on Quince. Oh, and just a quick disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I do have an affiliate link just because they're included on the Magic Links vendors, but I don't have any special business relationship with Quince. So I decided to try out some of the jewelry. I've seen good things about the clothes, and I've also seen very hit or miss reviews on the handbags. I'm kind of dying to try out one of the handbags. They have a lot of designer dupes, including one for the Loewe puzzle bag that looks really interesting. They have different types of jewelry. They've got like vermeil coated jewelry, and then they have 14 karat gold. So I decided to go all in. This is from the 14 karat gold collection. So it came in a padded envelope, no special shipping or anything. Arrived FedEx very quick, and it came in that little plastic bag. Okay. So it has a little pouch. All right, so this is, I do like the gift box. That is nice. So if you are gifting it to someone, you just add a little ribbon or something, and that's cute. All right, so what did I order? Oh, and there's another, it's another bag. Oh, this is cute. So I got the gold paperclip necklace. They have different sizes. This is the small, so it's like small, medium, and like large. And I think that's just alluding to how big the paper clips are. And they have different lengths. You can get gold or you can get white gold. It's 14 karat. Oh, this is cute. And I got the 16-inch length. I wanted something that didn't hang down too low. Okay, the first impression, what do y'all think? I think this looks pretty nice. I think this looks decent. The current price of this specific necklace is about $179. They offer free shipping and free returns. They seem to have a pretty generous return policy, so that's why a lot of people don't seem to be afraid to order from Quince. This looks pretty decent. We'll have to see how it wears long term. And the other thing is, if you have an American Express card, I had a really good offer. It expires in a few days, so if you're seeing this now, this kind of ends, I think, at the end of the year. But I've seen multiple offers with Amex and Quince. So the current offer was like purchase, like order $175 and get $40 cash back. So that's a pretty good deal. All in, I ended up paying about $153 total for a 14 karat gold necklace. I mean, I'm not a jewelry expert. I'm just being real. So here is the clasp. I do like how the clasp is. Okay, that's pretty easy to get on and off. I actually did want the shorter length, just because that's sort of the style necklace I prefer. So far, yeah, I think this looks decent. What do y'all think? Has anyone else tried Quince jewelry, and have you tried those leather handbags? Because I'm super curious. Let me know down below in the comments here. But this is just a quick unboxing of the Quince 14 karat gold paperclip necklace, small, and this is the 16-inch length. It's very delicate. I like it so far. So this is what it looks like. Let me know what y'all think, and if you've tried Quince stuff, I'd love to know your thoughts, because there's a lot of stuff that looks pretty appealing. Interestingly enough, it was shipped by a third party, so it's almost like Quince has like contracts with certain third-party vendors, so it was actually shipped by some other company. So that was kind of something I noticed. So here is the gold necklace. I think it's very dainty, very cute, very everyday wear. And I do have silver colored jewelry otherwise, but you know, I'm kind of digging the gold. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Let me know, maybe I'll do like a more full-on review of this after I've had it for a while. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, and I'll see you again in the next one.